everyone, Miss Christina here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an origami cup. This is a really good beginner project. It's only a few simple folds, and at the end, you have a cute little cup to eat your snack from. Okay, so what you're going to need is a square piece of paper. If you haven't already watched my video on how to turn a rectangular piece of paper into a square, go watch that now, and then once you have your paper, we can get started. So for the cup, you're going to want to start with the white side of the paper facing up. That's why I think it's really important to have that colored side and the white side. It helps you follow along. So the very first fold you're going to make is you want to turn that square into a triangle. So I'm able to actually follow that fold from when we created the square paper. But if you're working with real origami paper that doesn't have that fold already in place, what we're doing is we're taking this corner and we're matching those two corners up. You want to really be careful. This is as close as you can get it to go. And you are going to crease that bottom. You want to make that pretty sharp. With origami, you usually want these folds to be really, 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 really sharp because you want them to stay folded when you're not holding them. See? Okay. Step 2. We're going to take this top edge just from the top piece of paper, leave that other one down there, and you're gonna make this edge line up with this bottom edge. And again, we want to get this as close as possible, so take your time. Go real slow, make sure that is really, really well lined up, and only once you are really happy with where that is, do you crease this line. Okay. So we're going to open that back up, but you can see now there's a line here, and we're going to use that to guide our next fold. So this is the important point. That's where we want to meet with this edge. We're going to take it, the whole corner, we're going to fold it up, and we're going to put that point right at the edge of that crease we just made, right at the edge. And then we're going to crease that side there. Go ahead and make that really sharp. So that's what it looks like. We're going to take this other edge, we're going to take that point, and we're going to put it right there. Close as you can get to that corner. See those two top edges lining up right there? Once you're happy with it, you're going to crease that edge down. Really good. We're almost there. 2 more steps. So now we're going to see at the top here we have that back side and we've got the front page here. I'm going to take that front one and we're just going to fold it right down along that edge where those other paper edges are. Just fold it down and then crease. Turn it over. And we're going to take that edge and we're going to fold it down the same way. So you want those 2 edges to match as close as you can. And crease. And here we have an origami cup. So those 2 flaps that we folded down at the end are actually holding all those other folds in place, so it stays. So if you put your snacks in here, be careful, that bottom is not flat. If you put it down, you will spill your snack. So snack carefully. Thanks for joining me.